Alright, here I'm going to show you how to upload and install plugins. Alright, install plugins from your desktop. Alright, plugin that you downloaded, how to install it. So the first thing you want to do is to go over to your plugin. Alright, once you click on your plugin, this is your plugin. That's 12 active plugin. You're going to see add plugin. You can also see installed plugin. That's plugin that you have already installed. We're going to click on add plugin. Now, once you click on add plugin, it's going to take you to where you can install plugins from WordPress. These are plugins that you can install directly from WordPress. But in case you bought a plugin, you pay for a premium plugins, and you already have it downloaded, you want to install it directly from your computer, you can just come here and click on upload plugin. And then once you click on upload plugin, you're going to see an upload. You're going to scroll down, and then you see upload dashboard. Right, here is where you upload your plugin. Once you click on upload plugin, it's going to show you this. So if you have a plugin in zip format, you may install or update it by uploading it here. All right, so you click on this choose file. You click on that choose file, and then you're going to open up. All right, these are the plugins that I have. All right, these are premium plugins that I have. So once you go to Code Canyon and buy any plugin, you're going to download it to your desktop, your PC. So it's from here you click on open, and then you see the file there. So I already have this plugin installed on my WordPress website. All right, so I don't have to. So if I click on install now, you're going to automatically install this password plugin. So this plugin will help you to protect your page. So if I click on install now, it's going to go ahead and install it. All right, upload it and install at the same time. All right, so that's how to do that. Now once you are done installing it, I don't want to install that because I already have that. You just come back to your plugin. You see installed plugin. You will see all the plugins you have installed there. So this is where you will find the plugin that you have installed. So if you click on installed plugin, it's going to open up. Now you can see the plugins that you have already installed. You can see total number of plugins that we have. So we have over 20 plugins. That's the total plugins that we have. All right, we currently have 20 active plugins. So the update available is 12. That means 12 plugins need to be updated. All right, so these are the plugins that we currently have. You can see those red are showing updates that you need to update those plugins. And if you want to deactivate, you see deactivate under those plugins. You can just with one button, maybe you don't need it again, but be careful what you deactivate. If in case your website needs it, it's going to affect it. So you don't just deactivate plugins. Make sure that you don't need it anymore. You deactivate and then you delete it. All right, so if you hit on this deactivate, it's going to deactivate. So this is where you get all your plugins from. All right, this is where you get all your plugins from. All right, so all these you are seeing are testimony. All these are plugins. All right, web breaking page builder. These are plugins that was installed. You can see these are plugins. So all these are plugins. They show up on your left hand bar once you have installed them. All right, where you can then go ahead and work with them.